Hello everyone, John Wilson here at Johnson RV, located here in Medford, Oregon, right behind you off the Prairie Lake Highway. Right next to us, we have a beautiful 2025 Midwest Passage van here for you. Great quality craftsmanship. They really pay attention to great detail. On the exterior itself, look at these back doors. You have an easy step to get inside from the Ford Transit 3.5 liter Eco Boost, all-wheel drive. Great surround sound system, soft touch vinyl all the way around. We have a pull-down, black-down shades here for you. Complete pass-through, because this is a lithium battery coach with 300 amp hours, 600 amp hours. There's no lithium batteries located back here. The valve boardings are located underneath the coach. It's self-efficient, so it gives you a nice little pass-through. You have your upgrade Alpine speakers, surround sound system, pull-down black shade in the back here for you too. Coat hanger, pass-through storage in the back itself too. Now let's take a look inside the coach itself. As you pass on this side, you have your power awning there for you, LED lighting system, 320 watts of solar up above. Easy step to get inside the coach. And before you go, I want you to pay attention to these beautiful reupholstery seats here on the Ford Transit. They do swivel. They have your power massaging heated seats. Locate control systems on both sides here for you. Very easy to do. 10-inch navigation display and all the safety features that you're wanting. As we step inside, solid countertop surface, deep drop-in stainless steel sink with a 2 induction stovetop gas burner. All our control systems located right here for you. One thing I do love is that you have a really good sized bathroom here for you. With the shower glass door, control system for the lights, convection microwave, 12-volt fridge, and it's very big compared to some competitors out there. So if you are on a long distance trip, less trips to the grocery store, allows you to stay on the road for a lot longer. You have power drop-down shades throughout the whole coach, power lock or power bed here for you with memory foam reupholstered. All the cabinetry is all built inside the house, and it's all done inside too to reduce the rattling noise as you're traveling to a long distance location. If you have any questions, come down here at Johnson RV, ask for John. I'll be happy to take care of you.